Finding your people makes you realize there was nothing wrong with you. Have you ever noticed ukuthi sometimes you feel like you're crazy because unabantu wrong? All the time you propose something, gents, let us start a business. Bakutshela ukuthi ukhe wabona phi umuntu oqala ibusiness aphumelele ngoba afadalala. Unabantu wrong. When all the time you create content kumele ubafihla abangani bakho ngoba bona bafuna ukuvela ku camera. Unabantu wrong. Yazi unabantu wrong. All the time akhuluma ukuthi against your massive kuyofola bakutshela ukuthi ayithina sifocus ku weekend enkulu mfethu. Sifocus ku weekend enkulu. Unabantu wrong njayami. When all the time when you are being yourself kuba inkinga nje kuthiwa hayi uqalile umuntu mamkhuza into esongayenzi. Unabantu wrong. The day you will find your people, you will see there was never anything wrong with you. Net bona abantu wrong. Yazi mana abantu wrong uzosibona ngathi nje awusi right kanti no unabantu wrong.